With all of this these capabilities being built out, it's almost like, it feels like more is more because so many people are thinking of different implementations for AI and how it can help people from different perspectives. But one thing that I'm always kind of coming up to is the existence of papers and things behind paywalls or things like that. Like if someone else is going to build a tool and they may not necessarily have access to the trials, what are your thoughts on how publication of scientific work might change, or do you have a thought of how it might change now that it's easier for more people to build using large language models and utilizing data from
You
different
mean in a
sources?
scientific point of view,
Yeah.
writing papers, publications?
Yes, but non-scientists. So someone who maybe is not a member of ESMO wanting to use things that are published, maybe, ASCO, American Society of Clinical Oncology, they have a journal. But some of these papers are behind paywalls. They're not all publicly available. But if someone's kind of working and building something out with AI, maybe not necessarily affiliated with an institution or something, do you see the way that data is shared or research is shared changing at all in the future because of these capabilities?
So, if the question is if I see it as a risk
Mhm.
or as an opportunity, I see it both ways. So the opportunity is like, and more than opportunity, I think the duty is that we need to democratize more the data, in sense of talking about AI. Especially now we had our session on, it was a proof session on AI digital oncology. There is a very nice publication on Flutter Database on more than 90,000 patients with synthetic data, because AI Act, for example, in Europe, has stated that synthetic data can be a first step to build knowledge, no? Because before you go to the original data, let's say. So somehow for researchers like us, it's a great opportunity. And we need somehow with AI to democratize this data. Otherwise, I mean, to have the concept, the validations, be very, very difficult.
Mhm.
From the other point of view, for persons that are not, the people that are not involved on the different societies or are not directly, let's say, related, I see that can be still for them to build knowledge a possibility, but also somehow a risk. So I mean, this data has to have a governance or has to have or also directed, let's say, somehow.